is just kind of a really big chill day. I've been super busy and really working a lot and stuff, so I just wanted to take a chill out and just be home and enjoy ourselves. If I have not told you guys, or if you guys don't know yet, I did get engaged on Christmas Eve, and I do have pictures and videos and stuff on my Instagram and my Facebook and stuff, but if you guys don't follow me there, you guys should. It's down in the description box down below. But I just wanted to quickly, this is so loud, hold on. I ordered this from Amazon. It's a waist trimmer that I picked up. The first time I ordered it, it was too big. I ordered a 2X because that's normally like my size and everything, but it was way too big, so I ordered a different one. And I believe I picked up an extra large or so, but then they didn't even send it to me. I got an empty package in the mail. It was literally like open, never even sealed or anything. It just had my name on it and stuff, and there was literally nothing in it. I'm like, who would mail an empty package? So I was really annoyed by that, and I wasn't going to order it again, but I did. I really wanted to try it, so I picked up a size large, and it fits perfect. And it's just something that really helps to kind of like tighten your belly area for that problematic area that I wanted to try and kind of tone up my stomach. It did come with this little like sample packet here. It's a gel that you can put on before you put on your belt there, and it's supposed to enhance the effects and make it better. I don't know. Just says workout enhancer. It's supposed to just kind of target slow responded, no, it targets slow to respond problem areas. It makes you sweat harder and sweat earlier into your workout. So I wanted to try that. Didn't make it to the gym today, but that's okay because we did all kinds of shoveling and stuff out in the yard, and that was kind of our workout for today, so I'm okay. Yeah, just gonna wait for my sister to get here and eat some dinner and make some goodies. So here's our ratings if you guys haven't seen them yet and don't follow me on social media. Mine is super pretty. He got one that has the mixed metal in it, so it has like this almost like rose gold in there as well. We did get a band soldered on this side because when we do get married there'll be another band on the other side to complete the set. And then his is really cool. His has like little ridges on the sides and then has like gold around his as well. Well, whatever it is, I don't know what it is.
It's white gold.
White gold, whatever you want to call it. But they are just so beautiful, and he did a very good job. Say that you did good.
Yeah, a lot of overtime.
Because you love me.
It's time to eat.
Time to eat. Let's see how you did on those shells there, buddy. It's probably the first time you've cooked in how long?
I just cooked last night. What are you talking about?
Those drumsticks? That was probably the first time in months, maybe? That you've even...
Probably first time in 12 hours.
12 hours? No.
I cook all the time at work.
Yeah, in the microwave and...
In the oven.
Your little...
My frozen pizza.
Frozen pizzas. That's not cooking. I mean, from like home and making meals. I always cook, so... Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and eat some tacos here. And you should put your ring on. Why aren't you wearing yours?
We're not married yet.
It's preference. You can wear yours if you want to.
Ask them in the comments.
Alright guys, comment down below. Do you think it'd be fine if he wears his ring now, or should we wait till we get married? We've been together for 8 years
2
now.
years.
Eight whole years now. So we're pretty much already married. We have 2 doggos and have a house, so I think we would be just fine. We're pretty much already married, so I think you should wear it. How's it looking? Boring. We got meat and cheese and hot sauce. Such a man. What is that? Say hi.
Hi. Wait, hi to the camera?
Mm-hmm. Poor Ava Grace is going through a phase where she doesn't want facial hair. Got rid of her eyebrows and eyelashes, but that's okay. Water like me, so we're gonna get her one.
Okay.
Okay. So you're gonna have a big old bed all to yourself tonight?
Okay. I brought it back, and I got a big old bed to myself.
But we're gonna make some muffins. Chocolate chip and blueberry. How's that sound? Good?
I'm fishy.
Don't mess with your water, you goof. You goofy goober. Alright, so we're gonna get ready to make some muffins. Amelia was not ready for this. He's not a huge fan of kids, so. And she's a wild child, so. Crazy girl. Are you ready for this?
What? What? I gave a hug.
He's like, okay.
Why?
Because, okay, so since you have to preheat the oven to 375.
Okay, we're preheating the oven to 75.
Alright, they don't want to hear you all crazy.
I'm sorry if I'm crazy right now.
Alright. So.
Okay, just subscribe. Okay.
Yeah, they can subscribe and hit the like button.
Okay, turn on for notifications to give me a thumbs up.
So that's it. So, some baking powder.
Good luck now.
Ava's favorite show, Zombieland 2. What you doing over here?
Coloring, but I'm also watching the show at the same time.
Oh yeah?
But it's actually not a show, it's a movie.
What are you drawing?
I'm not telling you, it's a surprise for you. So basically, I can't show you.
Alright.
45%.
But I'm showing the fans when I do show.
Macy, bud, do you need to go say go potty?
Come on, bring it up.
Put muffins in the oven. I've got to get some dishes done now. Oh, good lord.
Now I think it might be number 2.
Number 2. That's adorable. I'm just saying, I think we should find a place to crash. Oh, I got an idea. We're in Hollywood. Let's sleep in style.
Okay, how do I spell
Grab a map.
This is me and what I draw.
Oh my goodness. So this is Ava. And then that's supposed to be me. And she wrote our names on here. Drew a pretty picture. You can't look at the cards. That's cheating.
We're putting this one on top.
You can't look at the cards.
I'm not looking, see? I can't look. It's blank.
Alright, give the cards here. Cards are here. Look at those cute puppies. Look at them sleeping. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. It is 10:20 in the morning. And oh my goodness, I'm tired. My little sister's still here. We had some breakfast and was watching Toy Story 4. But if you guys have not noticed, Ava doesn't have eyebrows or eyelashes. She's going through a stage where I believe that she's stressed out about something, and she had shaved her eyebrows off and then pulled out her own eyelashes. I don't really know what to say about it, but I just want to be here for her, just in case she's going through something, and I want her to just take a break from life and enjoy herself. And yeah, so this morning I believe I'm gonna go ahead and give her a little spa day. So right now she's brushing her teeth in the bathroom, and I have a bathtub downstairs that has jets in it, and we're gonna take a little bubble bath, and I want to kind of give her like a little hair mask and treatment, maybe do a little face mask on her, and you know, just have fun. So that's what we're gonna do right now.
That's so warm.
Let's see your little hair, bud. Giving her a little oil treatment. See if it'll help her.
I have a dry scalp.
Dry
and I have
scalp.
dandruff. My sister has dandruff too.
Yeah, Sissy's got it bad sometimes. Alright, we're gonna give her a little
Dandruff
bubble.
just goes around like what?
Alright, is it warm enough?
Totally, yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Here's the video.
What?
Tell them you better get your spa day.
I'm gonna get a spa day.
You got a face mask on, a hair mask on. You got the jets going. You're living your best life, huh?
It's my best life. Getting dry.
It's supposed to. That's why I said when you're ready, you can wipe it off with that washcloth.
With what washcloth?
The one I gave you.
Which washcloth?
The one I I gave you. It's in your hands.
No.
Yeah, I see it.
No.
Yes.
No.
Look at that cute bun.
Ooh.